welcome back to Jill in the Kitchen. And make you some pan-seared fresh cod. So come with me in my kitchen, guys, and let's go cooking. So here's my ingredients. That's my cod, butter and thyme, some shallots, some red cherry tomatoes cut in half, some white wine, and that's what I have, white dry wine, some chopped garlic, red peppered flakes, olive oil for cooking, black pepper, salt, and some roasted garlic and herb. And we are going to cook. Okay, so we're going to start our sauce for our fish. So we're going to put like about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A lot. We're making the sauce. Okay, we're going to add our garlic. We don't want anything to burn. We're going to add all our ingredients, all our onions, our tomato. We're not going to overcook any of this. Okay, we're going to stir it here. Nice pretty color going on here. This is, as I said, it's simple, clean eating. Very simple. Turn our fire up. Now it's olive oil. We don't want it to burn. That's why I turn the fire down. Guys, remember, as you come in, welcome. If you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up and share the good news, because Jill is about to burst out in this place and make this YouTube. I'm gonna add our crushed pepper, put in our onion, our thyme leaf, and our butter. Put everything together. We don't want to cook this out, right? Oh, this is so pretty. Add our wine, our dry white wine. I just decided to put some sugar, like a teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna add some black pepper to this, because we want to season, want everything to have some taste. I'm gonna put some black pepper, and I like coarse ground black pepper. I don't like it fine. So I'm gonna add some salt. Some salt, and that's about it. We're not going to overcook. I'm going to leave it here. Very pretty, nice going on here. This is it. That's the sauce. Beautiful sauce here. And we're not going to overcook nothing. We're going to leave, put it aside, and we're going to do our fish. And my oil is here. My olive oil is hot. I'm going to put my fish in. We're gonna make it stay like about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then we gently turn over, flip over, right? You can only hold that amount. We're gonna get our flat egg lifter and lift gently. This is a really gently taking out the fish, not too, you know. You have to take your time. It's so tender, and you're gonna treat it with love. Remember, we're cooking with love, and we're gonna treat it with love. Be gentle on your thing, baby girls and gentlemen. Right? We're gonna turn over. I'm gonna be finishing off these 2 pieces that left over. We're going to clean up in the meanwhile, guys, while we finish frying this. as you go to make things easier, right? At the end of time, you have a clean kitchen. So this fish is really a delicate fish. It's good. And be gentle with it. So you're eating fresh cod without the salt. This is almost done. This is very thin slices. This piece is really cut thin, so it's like 3 minutes on each side, and we don't want to burn it because we're going to put this in the sauce. You can serve this with whatever you choose to serve it with. Serve it with rice. You could serve it with asparagus, red rice. You could serve it with anything. It's all about what you would feel like eating. It's your choice. You are the one who is cooking. You get to decide what you want to eat. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm deciding what I want to eat, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So this is done. You won't get any color. That's what it is. It's a white fish. That's what it is. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove this pot because I finished frying. And I'm going to take back the sauce that I made, and we're going to put the fish back into the sauce. Paper towel, where are you? I see you. See? Okay, so this is our sauce getting here. Gonna warm it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put back the fish there. I'm gonna put them back little by little there. Too much going on right there and here. It's delicate. Turn over, turn over. Very gentle on the fish, very easy on the fish, guys. See, you're much easier than I am. I'm a kind of rough girl. So see if you be more gentle. Okay, so I have to do this. Not much. I'm just gonna squeeze over that there. Right. And that's what it is. That's what it looks like, guys. Very nice looking. Just gonna let it stay here and steep for a little bit so you get some of that juice. And then you get a spoon. You know I don't like spoon that makes sound, right? By now you should know. I like to use my wooden spoon because I really don't like noise and not the noise on the pot. Ping, 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 ping. It annoys me. So I figure more or less it might annoy you guys too. Alright, cover this. And this is smelling good. The aroma here is kicking butt. It's really smelling good. Right. So that's about it, guys. It's all done easy, quick, very quick cooking. Nothing hanging out for long. Okay, so I want to put a little bit of dry parsley. You could put basil or whatever you have. I have parsley flakes, and I'm going to put some in. Just for beautiful color. A really nice looking, you know. That's it. Just for color. You could use basil. Use whatever you have. Be creative. That's what Jewel wants you to do. That's why I'm sharing my cooking with you, and you can put your own twist and be creative. Just give it love. Give it some love, okay? Give it romance your cooking. Right? That's all I'm asking. Romance your cooking. And that's my fish. It's done. And I'm going to share a plate. And I'm coming back to show you what it looks like in a plate. Alright, guys? Wait, please don't go. And if you decide to leave this minute, remember, please share my video. Send it out. Send it to the world. I want everybody to know about Joel and know about Joel Cooking, because we're going to have a big thing going on in here. We're going to make a big family. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hold on. Don't go yet. Don't go yet.